Japanese say when you get to 60, you're reborn. You know, you have a new life. It is a bit like that, you know? It's like, well, what are we going to do now?
There's lots of this gorse around, isn't there?
It's lovely, isn't it? And it's buried in with that purple.
Yeah, little bits of heather.
Unspoilt beauty. It's a really wonderful thing to have. That connection with nature is, it's always fresh, it's always new.
It's been particularly lovely coming to this part of Wales, the Clyn Peninsula, because there's always a sort of sense of space and openness and freedom.
The difference between north and south is dramatically different and just as stunningly beautiful.
You feel as though you're treading new territories, but it's a feeling that it's just yours and you can be there on your own, really, with the elements. Cheers. I think you can become immersed in the landscape. It's very peaceful, it's very tranquil. You're not confined by time. You can really switch off.
I think everybody must have a connection to nature, you know? In terms of its scale, it's even more impressive. You know, Snowdonia really is something. It's just stunningly beautiful. And because the light's changing all the time, the landscape's changing. You can't see that and then walk away from it. This isn't something you just tick off, you know. It's going to be different next time, you know? And that's the joy of it. We're definitely coming back. Now, I've got some good boots, so I want to use them again here, I think.